Learning investment strategy with a free Forex trading course. There are several ways that you can work at becoming a better investor. You could read books, magazine articles, and do a great deal of research on the web. You may find that there's a plethora of options to explore, and even though you can get a head full of knowledge, you will still lack real-world experience. One of the best things to remedy that is to look into learning investment strategy from an interactive course. This becomes especially crucial for those that want to learn how to trade currencies in the Forex market. Unlike the New York Stock Exchange, this is a more open-ended, flexible, and less strict trading arena. As such, many people think that they have it all figured out, but then lose money because they don't have their facts straight or their minds right about how to move forward. Getting the basics down. First and foremost, you absolutely need to know that there is more to trading in this arena than purchasing stocks. Many people hear about investing here and assume that you're going to be purchasing pieces of a company. That's not the case. Forex is different. This is a world where you pair up currencies against each other. It allows you to see whether there are changes or things are going to stay the same. It's almost like gambling on currencies, but there's more to it than that as well. The reason you should take on a free Forex trading course is to understand the basics and know how to move forward with the investments necessary to make gains here. Practice the moves. Once you learn the basics and you are going through the course correctly, you will want to make moves. Test things out with a faux trading platform. Many of the best trading platforms that work with Forex will allow you to make mock drafts, exchanges, and investments. This is an important thing to test out. When you can work within this arena, you can then transition to putting money down on what you want to do later on. Do not immediately jump into putting your money on the line. It's easy to do that. Instead, make mock moves and see how the conditions can help or hurt your strategy down the line. The purpose of strategy. The number one thing that you should think about when you are investing is strategy. Too often investors get cocky about where to put their money and how. That's one way to lose things fast. Instead of focusing on hunches or gut instincts, consider following a path of training. Without proper strategy alignment, you will end up guessing at what is going to happen in currencies, and that's a bad place to be at. Test the work that can come through with a good strategy in place, and you'll end up with larger returns on your investment than most. It takes time to build the right elements, that for sure. Focus on learning first, then invest. It'll pay off in the short term as well as down the line.